In this video, we're going to learn some tips on how to make tummy time easier for your baby to tolerate. You can practice tummy time starting when your baby is a newborn, even if it is for a few seconds with every diaper change, and with supervision at all times. Tummy time is very important because it improves head control, strength in their neck, shoulders, and back muscles, as well as it helps them to reach milestones such as rolling, sitting, and crawling. If your baby has a hard time doing tummy time on the floor, here are some changes you can make. Put your baby on your chest while you are reclined on a big pillow or a sofa. This way it's easier for your baby to lift their head up because they're not completely flat on the ground. Also, you can use a boppy pillow or a rolled towel under their arms, so their weight is going more towards the butt or pelvis than on their arms, so it's going to be easier for them to lift the head up. Place a toy that is easy to grab close by in front of their eyes. Because their manipulation skills are not yet fully developed, it is easier for them to grasp with the whole hand and bring the object to their mouth for further exploration. You can also show a toy that the baby likes side to side, so they rotate their head, tracking the toy. That will help them to shift their weight on the side they're rotating the head to. These weight shifting skills are so important when babies start crawling, climbing, standing, and walking. Place a toy in front of them at a distance where they can reach it, and help them under the arm to grab the toy. This will help to strengthen the baby's back muscles and glutes to play an important role of having the pelvis stable when they're playing on their belly. If your baby around 5 months old doesn't push up on their hands, you can help them by lifting their shoulders up a little bit. This pushing up is important when the babies use their arms forward to support themselves and maintain balance while sitting. Also, this push-up position is an activity to prepare for 4 points. Place your baby on a firm surface and put a toy a little bit out of reach so they feel the need to get it. Around 6 to 7 months of age, this activity will motivate your baby to try to get the toy by creeping. They push forward with one foot and use their arms as well to move their body forward. This is a great way to prepare for crawling, which requires more control and core strength.